You'll probably go your entire work life without ever needing a fire extinguisher at your workplace, even as a security guard. Hopefully, you'll never need one in your home either. But just in case, there absolutely should be one in both places. When was the last time you checked it though? Let's play a quick game. Close your eyes for a second. Can you picture where the nearest fire extinguisher is now? How about the second closest one? No matter where you are, knowing the location of the nearest fire extinguisher can mean the difference between life and death. So take a look at the one in your area right now. Is it good to go if you need it? Don't let your fire extinguisher be worthless. Give it a monthly checkup to ensure it's always ready to flex its firefighting muscles. Gauge it. Take a peek at the pressure gauge. Is it in the green zone? Great. That means it's primed and ready to unleash its fury on any unsuspecting flames. But if it's low, give it a recharge. We don't want a weakling when it matters most. Location is key. Remember, your fire extinguisher isn't a decoration or a doorstop. It needs a strategic location where it can spring into action at a moment's notice. So, keep it within easy reach. No higher than 5 feet off the ground and at least 4 inches away from the floor. Think of it as a VIP guest at your fire safety party. Clear the path. Imagine your fire extinguisher as a sprinter ready to race to the rescue. Would you want it tripping over clutter or getting stuck behind a mountain of junk? Heck no. Make sure it has a clear, unobstructed path to glory. Nothing should stand between it and its destiny to conquer those flames. Now for the moment of truth. You're face to face with a fire and your trusty extinguisher is your only hope. Don't panic. Just remember these 4 simple steps. 1. P as in pull the pin. Unleash the power within. 2. A as in aim low. Target the base of the fire where it's weakest. 3. S as in squeeze the handle. Let loose a torrent of fire smothering goodness. And 4. S as in sweep side to side. Paint a beautiful arc of safety across the flames. But remember, your safety comes first. If the fire is too big or you're unsure, don't hesitate to evacuate. There are plenty more fires for your extinguisher to conquer another day. Keep your extinguisher charged, keep it accessible, and keep it ready to rock and roll when duty calls. Because when it comes to fire safety, your extinguisher is your ultimate wingman or wingwoman. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.